Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you AI Studio on Instagram and how to use it. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and to access the AI Studio, we need to go to the Instagram direct messages. Open up your Instagram DM, and then in your Instagram DM you will find this icon on the top right corner. You can click on this icon to open up the AI Studio. Okay, this is how the AI Studio looks like, and you can find AIs by topics that interest you, or you can find it from the creators you follow. You can find the AI based on the topic, or you can find the popular AIs here. Okay, as you can see guys, that there are some categories or some topics, and you'll be able to create your own AI as well. You can create an AI for the conversation, help with specific topics, or just for fun. And I'm going to show you how we can create our own AI. I'm going to click on create here. All right, and we can click on continue. Okay, I'm going to click on custom AI, and here we need to describe our AI. What does your AI do and what makes it unique? And I'm just going to paste the description I have just created. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next, and the AI will prepare for the detail. Okay, this is the name of my AI, always here buddy, and this is for the tagline, and this is the description. And you can choose the audience for your AI. You can select close friend or everyone, and I'm just going to select everyone. And if you want to go to the advanced setting, you can tap on this option, but I'm just going to skip this one, and then we can click on chat with AI. All right, and just hold on. Okay, and now my AI has been created guys, and other people can open this AI. Okay, and we can chat with this AI. As you can see that we will get this question on our AI, or you can create a message for the AI. Okay, I'm just going to go back, and if you want to join the other person's AI, you just need to tap on that. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to use AI Studio. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.